Hi there, Christian with RepairPricer.com here, just giving you a quick update on a new feature in our affiliate program. So for those of you who are not in our affiliate program already, the affiliate program with RepairPricer lets you simply give somebody a link, tells them about RepairPricer and our services, and if they use that link to purchase a report, you receive an immediate commission from that client, which is great. However, what some of you have been asking for is the ability to function almost like a sales director for RepairPricer, where you can not only provide links to clients to educate them on the product and earn commissions on your referrals, but also build a team underneath you and a team underneath that team as a network marketing force to generate referrals from users downstream from you. A lot of this is being driven by those home inspectors who are saying, hey, guys, we're out here educating agents and the public all the time. And they are then going on using word of mouth to tell people about RepairPricer, to go and educate their clients and so on and so forth. So we would like to be compensated for the work that we've done. And we said, yeah, absolutely. So what we have available now in every affiliate marketing account is the ability to create a team underneath yourself. For those looking to recruit a large team and make a significant amount of money from this, that is actually possible. You can go out and talk to agents, inspectors, anybody, transaction coordinators in your area, and let them know about this opportunity. And if they sign up because of you, you will be compensated for all of the downstream sales moving forward. So to understand how this works and why it works, you have to understand that RepairPricer's growth really to date has been powered purely by word of mouth marketing. We have done no large scale marketing whatsoever, yet since 2018, we have actually managed to sell over $2 million worth of reports directly to the public. So that's the first thing to understand is this works. Agents, clients, home inspectors, transaction coordinators get excited about the product when you introduce it to them. So how does it work? You literally can just spread the word to your existing network of agents, inspectors, and clients about RepairPricer. You'll get a separate link that is different to your existing sales link. This is a recruiting link, okay? So for anybody else who's interested in joining the RepairPricer affiliate program, this will be a separate link, and I'm going to show you how to get that a little bit later in the video. Give them that link. If they sign up because of you, we do the rest. So here's how it works. Using your original sales referral link that you have, you will see this top line item here. You can generate $10 to $30 per report on clients who purchase a report directly because of following that link, okay? If you have questions about that program, please see the other video in this series that talks about purely the generating referrals and commissions from that link. However, if you are also sending people in your network the recruiting link where they can join the affiliate program because you've educated them about that, you will now receive two further forms of commission. The first is anybody who signs up directly because of you and from following your recruiting link for the affiliate program, anytime they or anybody that they send their link to orders a report from RepairPricer, you will receive a $10 commission. So let's imagine that you have 10 people you've recruited to join the affiliate program, and they each order one report per month. That's $10 per user for 10 people. That's $100 extra per month just from educating people about this product. So as you can see, if you're marketing to agents, inspectors, and clients on a regular basis and transaction coordinators, you know they're going to have a lot of transactions running through the system. So you can grow that portion of it even faster. Here's the other thing. There is a second tier to that as well. So let's say you are an agent and you go talk to your broker and you say, hey, Mr. or Mrs. Broker, I think we should use RepairPricer. You can generate some commissions from it. Here's how it works. And you give them your recruiting link and they join the program. If they then go and sign up all of the agents in the brokerage, let's say you've got 50 agents, okay, you're going to be upflowing not only the sales from the broker, but also the sales from those agents beneath you at the rate of $5 per report order. Okay, so for those of you at large brokerages or those of you marketing to large brokerages or large transaction coordination firms or large home inspection companies, think about who your first key recruit is going to be. It's going to be the person responsible for rolling out this program at that organization. So think brokers, think office managers, think transaction coordinators, and think the owners of home inspection companies as you grow this program. This quick demo here beneath will show you that. So if you've got you, and you're doing 5 orders per month for your clients, great, that's $50 in commission. That's okay, it's not bad, it's free money, right? But if you have a team of 20 and they are doing 5 orders per month each as well. All right, that's up to $2,500 per month extra money in your pocket. But let's imagine that they also recruit 5 other people who are doing 5 orders per month. You now have an additional $2,500 a month in your pocket. So you're talking about over $5,000 of commission potential per month just from building a team of 5 and educating them on how to strategically sell this product. You've got to think of the top tier people who are going to have a trickle down effect. So think brokers, top selling sales agent, transaction coordinators, and busy home inspectors. There is no cap on this commission. If you are someone who's well connected in the real estate space across the US, there's no reason you cannot be cash flowing $5, $10, $15, $20,000 per month from this. Remember, Repair Pricer does not do large scale advertising. The way that we've spread is organic, it's viral, it's word of mouth, and we have managed to sell over $2 million in reports without doing that wide scale advertising. So just keep that in mind as you think about building this program. Quick industry stats for you as you think about growing. There are over 1.5 million realtors in the US. There are over 200,000 home inspectors in the US, and there's over 5.5 million home inspections performed per year. That means 5.5 million sales opportunities for you as a recruiter, as an affiliate, to revenue flow off those. We are currently capturing less than 1% of the market, even with that $2 million in sales. That is a huge opportunity. There is a $55 million per year potential revenue stream from this. And that's just from recorded home inspections. We're not talking about inspections for insurance companies and inspections for divorce attorneys, okay? Those are 2 revenue streams that we don't even target at the moment. So to get started, go and log into your dashboard at rpaffiliate.tapaffiliate.com. And you may see this screen here, join our affiliate program. This is actually the screen that anybody you're recruiting will see the first time you invite them. If you have an account already, however, click sign in and sign into your account. You will immediately come to the dashboard. To get recruiting, simply navigate over to multi-level marketing on the left-hand side and click that. And what you'll see here is a shareable link, much like your sales link, which you can earn commissions from. This is a recruiting link, which will nest sub-affiliates underneath you. So if they get any sales, you will upflow those $5 and $10 commissions directly into your account, and you'll get paid out monthly, just like you do on your regular referral sales. Again, like the other system you will see, you can immediately post it on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and through your email. So think about where you'll post this. For instance, you may be an agent who is a member of a national real estate group on Facebook. You could grab that link, take it, and post it there, and just say something very simple like, did you know Repair Pricer has an affiliate program? That recruiting link will be hidden behind whatever text you use. And if somebody does sign up, again, they will be nested here under you as a sub-affiliate. Remember, under level 2 affiliates, you will receive $10 for any sales that they generate. And under level 3, you will receive $5 per report for any sales they generate. So what is really important to do is start building these levels of affiliates out. So if you do see somebody as a recruit here, reach out to them, welcome them to the program, make sure they're using their link, and make sure they have access to the assets available to tell other people about Repair Pricer and tell other people about the Repair Pricer affiliate program. I'm also going to put a link in the video description to the presentation that you saw during this video about becoming a Repair Pricer affiliate. That is also hosted in Canva, so you can copy that template, customize it yourself, and reproduce it for free. For those of you, just a quick recap, any other assets outside of Canva that you can use to tell people about the program, click Assets here, and you have all of your pre-produced materials here. If you're sharing these with other members of professional groups, don't forget that the referral link by default that's in there is your sales link. It is not your recruiting link, okay? So just remember that. You'll have to go and switch out that link for the one that you can find in your multi-level marketing. This is to recruit other professionals to join your affiliate program. This link under assets is to send directly to clients to generate larger commissions off immediate sales. So don't get those two confused. If you're someone who's well connected with agents, home inspectors, transaction coordinators, insurance appraisers, and also, as I said, divorce attorneys or mitigated loss attorneys, those operating in the insurance space, they are starting to use our products. And that's outside of these 5.5 million home inspections per year. So just be thinking about this. Who can you tell about Repair Pricer? That's it. It's that simple. Often we see click-through rates of 30, 40, 50% on affiliate recruitment emails that people are sending out. So think, who do you know? Who's your broker? Who's the head of your home inspection firm? Who are your insurance appraisers? Who do you use for transaction coordination? Who do you know who gets home inspections in front of them every single day? Take your recruiting link, let them know about the program, get them signed up, and let us do the rest of the work and start watching your revenue grow. If you have any questions, reach out to me directly, christian@repairpricer.com. I'm also going to put a link to my email and a meeting scheduling link with me in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching.